Чё ты скажешь? Для наших русских смотрителей, для наших русских подписчиков и украинцев, что ты скажешь?
Абзац.
What do we got here, guys?
Got a 010 Nissan GTR. The new rebuild boys build.
Let's go, baby. Elijah picked something new for himself. Dropped off the Supra in Utah and swooped this little puppy. Let's see what we got here. Woo. Yes, 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 yes. Dude, no airbags blown up. What is Gucci? This is amazing. Yes, sir. Elijah getting some business done over there. But man, so we got our black edition. The only airbag that it seems to be blown up is this one right here. Let's see the key. Woo! We got a carbon fiber key. Let's go. Nice.
What's up, guys? So welcome back to the video. We left off on getting the car off the delivery guy's trailer. So we got it on our trailer, and now it's time to tear this thing apart, see what's going on with it, see what parts we need to order, as well as try to start this bad boy up. It looks like it has aftermarket exhaust, some intakes. I'm very curious to see how it sounds, and let's see what this thing is all about. This is our younger brother Anthony. He's going to be on the channel, as well as our other brother Dennis. We're all working together now. We got a pretty nice setup going on. So obviously, as you can see, the car is purple, and I mean, personally me, I really like it. I would leave it, but the people that wrapped it did a really bad job. Like, they did not wrap it around the edges properly, and it looks ugly. Personally me, I don't like it, especially like right there. That's a really poor job. I don't know why you would ever do that, especially on a higher-end sports car. But we're gonna have to peel all that off. Maybe we'll leave the roof black the way it is wrapped, but we'll keep you guys updated. So we got this thing, took it apart, pretty decent. Obviously there's some frame damage that was expected, but it's nothing we can't fix. We have a tensioner pulley that's broken off. Gonna have to order that one up. We have some engine oil lines that are busted out right here. So unfortunately, we will not be able to start this thing up, but you know, rather be safe than sorry. Hopefully the engine is good. We don't know yet, but let's hope it is. I have new intercoolers on the way. So once that all comes in, we're gonna be able to give it a start, show you guys how it sounds. I'm pretty excited. We're all excited. It has downpipe, straight pipe. It's E85, so it's got some pretty decent mods on it. I'm kind of curious how many horsepower it pushes, how much horsepower it's pushing. Probably like 700 or something.
Yeah, around there.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy. But so the guys are taking off the wrap, and it's looking so much better, silver in its original color. Show them around the car, dude. It looks great. I like it. It's a pain, but it's getting there. We're pretty excited to see what the heck is inside here. Let's check it out.
Any Gucci flip-flops?
Absolutely nothing crazy.
Dude,
Okay.
we'll take it. Free tools.
Dude, come on.
We got a mop.
Yes, sir. Oh, baby.
Wow. Wow.
What those are for?
Wow, wow, wow.
They definitely dug around in here because it's probably the guys that freaking did the wrap. They took the bumper off. Look what they did. Why would you ever do that? That's disgusting.
Yeah, this wrap was not done well.
It's like, why in the world is this? Why is this black and not silver? What off-brand body did you find? Why would anyone in their right mind put this part black?
It was probably some teenage kid, dude. And he was like,
You know what sucks, dude? On top of everything,
What?
they stole the GTR emblem and the Nissan emblem that goes right here.
Yeah.
Blow some steam off.
yeah, guys, if you guys wrap a GTR like this, like, look at that. All the corners, dude, not even cut straight, nothing. Nah. It's not quality.
Don't even wrap it, he says.
Don't even wrap it, dude. Don't
He
even.
says if you're gonna wrap it like this, don't even wrap it.
Like, look at this, dude.
Unbelievable behavior.
Disgusting.
Disgusting.
What's up, guys? So it's a new day today. We're back working on the GTR at our shop. We're putting on the lift right now. We got it off the trailer yesterday, and we're gonna go ahead, check it out underneath, see what aftermarket parts we have, and then see if we have any other damage underneath the car. So let's get to work. First things first, this car, I don't know if it was meant to be put on the lift or if it was meant to use some special lift, but the way jack points are on the bottom, like they do not work with the arms on this lift. So we kind of have to think out of the box here and figure out a way so this lip doesn't touch this part. Hopefully,
Let's see if I can get a good shot of what we're doing here.
Yeah, right there. It's safe though. OSHA approved.
OSHA approved, he said. Man, look at the rear end on this thing. Such a beautiful car. All right, I think it's, what do you guys say? Is it touching? I think it's good. The front looks pretty good. Really?
Check it out. It's fat exhaust. Just be careful.
I already kind of hit my head. I wonder what brand of exhaust this is. Dang.
Front carbon undershield is busted out.
Really? That sucks. A little bit of the front. We got most of the parts right here. Got the core support. We got hood. Literally no damage at all on the hood. It's got some carbon fiber vents. It's pretty dope. And then we got the front bumper over here. It's looking really good as well. Really nice. No damage as well. And here's all the broken parts. Bunch of piping and core support. Got the reinforcement bar. Got the intercoolers right there. We got more parts on the way.
These down pipes though.
Let's see them.
Look at that. That beautiful down
Dang,
pipes.
son.
This thing's gonna be
sick.
loud, dude.
Hopefully it shoots some flames,
Oh,
eh?
it will, 100%.
Dang, dude, there's something about the GTR that's just amazing.
Oh yeah, baby.
But like we said, this shield right here is busted, so gonna need to get a new one of these. And then, yeah, there's the oil lines we were talking about that we can't start the engine without those. Looks like the thing got dented in, the oil filter. And then you look at that, that's literally like the frame rail bananaed in.
It's not bad. This is a soft spot right here. So pretty much if you look on this side, what you have to do is cut it and then the frame drag heel splice it in, weld it in a new one.
Yep.
Or try to straighten that one out, save it. But sometimes it's not even worth saving that kind of stuff. rather just bite the cost, buy a new one or a used one, and pay a guy to weld it in and forget about it. You're gonna know you have a brand new part of it, you know, so it's better.
Alright guys, so that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. My brothers accomplished to take the wrap off completely. Most of the wrap is off. The matte purple was a really good choice of color, but whoever wrapped it, whatever the shop was, didn't do a really good job, and we just had to take it off. We left the matte black on the roof. The boys found out that it has a $5,000 exhaust. We are just so stoked and excited to start this thing up for the first time. Hopefully you guys are too. Stay tuned for this upcoming next video. We're gonna be uploading every Sunday, and I hope you guys like the videos. Peace out.
And just a disclosure, guys, excuse all the chickens and all the sounds in the background. My dad literally has a farm in the back.